Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. This is the last of that shot I poured in here. And man, this stuff really looks nice. Got a little piece stuck together. It's probably gonna have to be redone. But that's, look at that, man. It's pretty nice in my fluorescent dimly lit garage. Some really nice pieces in that. Waiting on my rounded 50-gram bar to come from China. It's due to get here February 19th. So I decided to put the crystal into shot just to keep, if I spill it, man, it's going to be all over the place. This will be a little easier to find, I think. So anyway, that's what we got, man. I'll get a weight on it, and I've got some cement silver to clean up too, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, share. That's all, folks.